Are you ready to level up your career in the healthcare industry? Beyond RCM proudly presents our Insurance Verification Masterclass. Get the essential skills that you need that are necessary to start your career journey today. Whether you're looking to become a biller, coder, auditor, or medical provider, join me, Tiffany Robinson, as I teach you everything from start to finish on how to understand various insurance companies and the role they play in the healthcare space. We offer in-depth courses at an affordable price. Learn anywhere in the world. And for every 10 lessons sold, we will donate a free lesson. So register today with the link in the description or visit our website. What's up, y'all? Tiffany Robinson here from Beyond RCM Revenue Cycle Management. So listen, I know that I told you guys that we had some stuff coming up in the spring, and I'm not gonna make you wait any longer. It is happening. The moment is here, and I am very, very excited to announce that dropping at this moment is our very first of many masterclasses. Our very first masterclass dropping right now is Mastering the Insurance Verification Process. And you'll be able to get access to that masterclass on the Teachable platform. Now listen, mastering the insurance verification process is a crucial component of what we in senior management call the revenue cycle management process. Here in the United States of America, insurance verification is an integral, a vital part of how we do business. Most of our services are reimbursed through insurance companies. So it is important to understand the different types of insurance that patients have, how those insurance companies work, and whether or not the medical providers that you are working for have access to those insurance companies. And you are going to get all those nuggets in our Mastering the Insurance Verification Process Masterclass. Now, you may be someone who went to school to become a certified medical biller, medical coder, auditor. You may even be a medical student right now studying to be a doctor, a physician's assistant, an advanced nurse, whatever the case may be, a midwife. This is still a program that's going to be valuable to you. Why? Because if you're starting out as a medical biller, coder, or auditor, you are probably noticing that you might be having difficulties breaking into the industry. This is a great way for you to gain a level of experience and get employed in an area that will gain you access into the healthcare space. If you're someone going to school to eventually become, a practicing midwife, doctor, physician assistant, nurse practitioner, this information is going to help you understand the insurance process and what is necessary in order for you to open that practice. This is going to give you the things that they're not going to tell you in medical school. When I created this masterclass, keeping in mind my own experiences. I've been in this industry going into my now 26th year, and I've taken many courses. I've done several certificate programs and degree programs. And I will tell you that there were times where I paid for programs and walked away feeling like I did not need to pay all this money to learn what y'all gave me. Like, I want a refund. So in creating this masterclass, I was very intentional about my own experiences and wanting to make sure that when we put together this program, that you would walk away feeling like you got the whole picture, right? So it's that intention that I put into this class. And I don't think that you are going to be disappointed. In fact, I was like, girl, you done gave them everything, okay? So I want to encourage you to check out the link in the description. Sign up for our first of many masterclasses that we are going to be putting out. And as I said, this is just the start of several masterclasses. Our goal is to launch 12 masterclasses over the course of the next year, targeting very specific areas of the revenue cycle management process. And the goal is to help enhance people's knowledge base. And it is at an introductory price point that you're not going to get anywhere else. You're going to learn so much at a price that is going to blow your mind. So you definitely want to sign up as soon as possible because like they say, today's prices probably not going to be tomorrow, next week, or next month's prices. So check the link in the description and sign up below. So if you are interested in leveling up your knowledge base, you can just be an admin working at a private medical practice. You can level up your skills with this masterclass. If you are interested in leveling up, I want to encourage you to check out this masterclass as soon as possible. If you've been following this YouTube channel, then you've heard a lot about even my story and how difficult it was for me to break into the industry. I graduated high school, did coursework as a medical biller, and had a certificate and a baby on the way, and no one would hire me. To the point where I had to take a step back and pivot and be creative to get my foot in the door. My journey was that I had to do a free internship for several months and, make contact with people and let them get to know me. And thankfully, through that internship, I was able to land my first position, which again was not as an official medical biller, but I was able to get my foot in the door. And then eventually I was able to get that billing position, and the rest is history. So I want to even encourage someone who might be watching this video feeling very frustrated because no one's giving them an opportunity. This is an opportunity for you to think outside the box and target specific areas in the healthcare space where employers are not going to be as critical about your experience level and be more apt to give you a chance. And then you can use that opportunity to segue into your actual dream position. So this class is just phenomenal. I am just so proud of what we were able to accomplish. And when you purchase this masterclass, you're going to get two things. Well, you're going to get three things. You're going to get information, robust information that you're not getting anywhere else. And then for every 10 lessons that we sell, we are going to give away a free lesson to anyone, anywhere in the world that's looking to break into the healthcare industry. I will be putting out a video in the next couple of days on how you can sign up to get a free class on mastering the insurance verification process. And on top of that, when you purchase Mastering the Insurance Verification Process, you are also going to get the opportunity to attend an upcoming live Q&A session with your girl, moi. So you're getting robust information you're not getting anywhere else. You're going to be a part of paying it forward to someone anywhere in the world. And then you get to hang out with your girl. What could be better than that? Click the link in the description and sign up for Mastering the Insurance Verification Process today. And thank you, as always, for supporting this labor of love beyond RCM. I look forward to seeing you soon. Peace out.